knows what is happening. Something strange is going on for some reason they don't want to tell the people.
You are cleared to maneuver as
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it a hologram tricking my brain? Is it the government doing their thing? Or extraterrestrial scoping terrain? Interdimensional, intergalactic, unconventional battle tactic, psychological operation. Or is it Elon's newest creation? Technological infiltration, hybrid biological agent. Forced disclosure, it is so flagrant. I smell fear, change up your fragrance. New age surveillance, call it exposure. Moving in shadows, homie, it's over. It's a new chapter, declassified folder. Look to the sky, not over your shoulder. All I can say is, hey, I'm with it. I done seen worse, just trying to survive. Laws and lasers, studying my tribe. Used to invaders, but I'm alive. What is the play? Just do what you're supposed to do. Get in alignment, do what Jehovah do. Allah a Yahweh, multi-creatrix, lighting and orbs, flexing in spaceships. Orbs and drones in the sky, time to fly. Time to fly. We gon' turn it up, no lie, no lie, no lie. Build your ark, cause it's raining. I'm like Neo in the Matrix, taking off in spaceships and drones in the sky. Time to fly, time to fly, time to fly. We gon' turn it up, no lie, no lie. Build your ark, cause it's raining. I'm like Neo in the Matrix, taking off in spaceships.
Some even maneuvering to avoid a reported unidentified flying object over the skies.